My name's Ben Wilson. I did the property maintenance course with Logic training. So I decided to do the course just to gain a bit more knowledge about all the disciplines really in property maintenance, just trying to get a broader horizon of how it goes really. Yeah, definitely, 100%. Just gain more knowledge about it all, to be honest. Just how to do the job a lot better than what I could do before really. Not really, so I was excited to be honest. Yeah, excited to get going and see how it goes. Yeah. Definitely carpentry. Yeah, I enjoy working with the woodwork and stuff, and yeah. I would say electrics. Yeah, can be quite confusing. There's a lot of regulations. Yeah, it's definitely the hardest, I reckon. Oh, it's wicked. The setup here is really good. They've got everything you need here. Trainers are awesome, especially Ricky. Ricky's wicked. Make you all feel at home. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. If you're looking to just expand your knowledge in all the departments, then 100% definitely would.